morning. Today we do science experiment of separation solid and liquid mixture. Let's make the science interesting.
The first step is sedimentation. This is sand and this is water. Now we will mix both in a beaker with the help of glass rod and we will keep for some time. Now you can see after some time soil particles settle down and liquid part has comes up.
Amazing!
The second process is decantation. We see the supernated and take it other beaker.
This is filter paper.
Now our last step known as the filtration. Now we will pour the supernatant liquid in the filter paper. Now you can see the fine particles of sand at the filter paper and the clear water at the bottom. Thank you.